Hello, this is David from MultiSoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. In today's video, we're going to go over the flag settings on your hostess reward settings within your PartyPlan system in order to get the proper settings for how you want your customer experience to happen within your system. So in order to view the hostess reward settings, from your admin toolbar, you're going to select parties and reward settings. And as you can see, in the top portion here, we have many different flags. In the second video, we'll be going over the host or hostess reward settings. And finally, in the third video, we'll be going over the SKUs and how to set them up for your party plan. So in this top section here, which we're going to concentrate on today, the very first item is the maximum amount of days that can be open before having to close. You have control over how long you want your parties to last within the system. The second option here is how many times or how many parties do you want an individual host or hostess to be able to host a party per month. The next flag we have here, and just to verify, obviously some of these things turn things on, some of them turn items off. This one here, if you want to be able to use the shopping cart to redeem rewards, you would select this option here. This would be your standard shopping cart that, say, anybody in the system would be able to use. Now, if you select the ability to use your shopping cart to redeem rewards, they will be able to I'll cut that part out. So the next item we have here is use shopping cart to redeem rewards. Within the system, you have the ability to allow your host or hostesses to use your standard shopping cart in order to redeem the rewards that they earn from their parties. The only difference on this I always want to explain is if you are giving away in your rewards any type of free or half-price items, they will not be available in the standard shopping cart. So please be aware of that. Turn off the Find Me Consultant. This is a privacy flag that we put in here. If turned on, or if you select this, it will turn off the Google map, which basically displays the locations of hosts and consultants within the area. And some people, and again, it's a Google map, so some people may not want their location to be divulged on Google. So you would uncheck the box here. Turn off redeem rewards. This is a button that your host or hostesses will see after a party has closed. When they log into their system and check their hostess rewards, they will be able to select a button within their system. Now, based on the way that you're giving out points or rewards, you may or may not want to turn that button off. Turn off add party code in shopping cart. If you are allowing your users to use the standard shopping cart in order to earn rewards from a party, you have the ability to turn on a feature which allows them to type in the party code number, which will give the points back to the hostess. Single host order per party. If you want your host to only be allowed to put in one order per party, you would select this. For your distributors that host a party, if you want to force them to pay retail pricing, you can select this item here, which is the charge retail price to distributor. Enable time zone if your parties, or if you're doing online parties, which are going to be covering multiple time zones, you would select this box here so that the time zones can be selected when the parties are being created. The next two items here, turn off send email and turn off send SMS. In the back office of the system, you have the ability to allow your users to send out emails and SMS text messages, and these two functionalities allow you to turn off that ability for them. The SMS is done through a third-party integration. This is not a built-in feature of the software, so if you want to be able to send SMS text messages, we recommend Twilio to be integrated into the system, and that is a third-party product that you can send out SMS messages through. Turn off multiple shipping in the party checkout. The party checkout does have the ability to send to multiple users and calculate the shipping for each one of those users. We do not recommend using this if you are integrated with a third-party shipper. This would, at this point in time, would be used only if you are shipping them out from your own personal warehouse and can set the destination. Use PartyCart for customer orders. As your customers come in, you have the ability to force them to use the PartyCart. Now, if you are using customer rewards that can be set up within the system, I would definitely recommend forcing your users to use the PartyCart for their customer orders. Host discount. These 4 boxes here pertain to the reward settings for the host and for the customer, which can be these 4 boxes below are used in order to edit the hostess reward settings and the customer reward settings that are displayed when you select the parties menu item and select either the hostess or customer rewards. As you can see, you can set different amounts for discount percentages, either for your host or for your customers. And you can also change what the wording is going to be displayed as far as in the column. So as you can see right now, it says 25% off, which matches the text to display for your hostess rewards. If we were to change that and go ahead and hit the save button, it would change that text. Please remember that every time you change anything up in here, you definitely do have to hit the save button here to make sure all your settings will apply. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule a one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a MultiSoft account executive, please call us at area code 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you.